Okay, today we have the Neo and we have the Avata. So I've got these both. I'm going to fly them both. I haven't flown this one since I had a bad crash. I actually smashed the battery and I've had to chuck that one away. So now I've only got 2 Neo batteries. I did as well the little screw that holds in the gimbal protector here that I've put on popped off, and that can go sideways now. So I might have to actually take the whole thing off. I was hoping it was going to stay on, but I think it might pop in front of the camera. But let's have a look. I haven't flown it since that crash, so let's just test the Neo first, and we're going to hit some really small gaps and push the Neo or risk the Neo a little bit more than we do with the Avata. So let's have some fun with that first. So let's fire that up and see if everything is okay. Take off in manual at 26 degrees. Let's go drop down to 20 with the Neo because we're going to be hitting some gaps. See how she flies. Oh no, look, that's going to be an issue. Okay, let's bring that back. I'm going to have to take that off. Okay, let's try again. So we're in manual. We're at 20 degrees. I've just jammed something in there to try and stop it from flicking out because I don't have another screw. So far it seems to be holding. Okay, let's find some little gaps for the Neo and see what we can do. Oh, nearly clean. There was a little gap there, wasn't it? Let's, whoa, Jesus. Come on, Paul. The last 2 flights I've done has been with the Avata, so I'll blame that. I'm not calibrated to the Neo again. I mean, these are pretty small gaps. Just catching the top. Let's try again. Something a bit bigger is there. Whoa, okay, nearly. Motor stalled, but hit something. Let's go have a look. I think this is good having the Neo to be able to do stuff like this, take risks, bang into stuff and that, but then have the Avata where I'm trying to be extra cautious. So when I'm filming content as well, completely different versions. Like yesterday, done full battery with the Avata, 8 minutes flight time or something like that, and one crash right at the end, and it was more like a tumble into a bush. With this one, banging about all over the place and probably going to break something, but lots of fun. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so we're through the legs just. Let's see what we can do up here, through the branches. Fun. Is there anything there? Nothing to go out and come back through again? No. About this one over here. Any gaps? Small one. Oh, little branch. That doesn't count as a crash. There's a nice stick there. Let's go underneath that. Lost it. Where is it? There. That's better. Go up. A bit higher. Oh, why are we going to normal? No, too high, too far. Okay, I don't know what that's set at because I am pretty close to me. I'm right above my head. Battery too low. Okay, let's stick a new battery on. Okay, let's see if we can get up higher. I'm not sure what happened there or what limit is set. Motor's starting. Let's try again. Can we find a way through? Whoa. There's a way through. Yep, done it again, look. Too high, too far. Is that because I've got 0 satellites? Let's put it back into manual. And check what limit we've got on there. Okay. Okay. Settings, safety, max flight 120, return to home 30 meters. Advanced, no. So that should be good to go. It must be because I've got no satellites. Alright, I'll try one more. Yeah, if you know why that's doing that, if you could let me know, that would be awesome. Oh yeah, see, it's done it again there. And it looks like it's a height thing, because I can get further away. See, I'm flying further away now. No problem, it's just the height. Okay. Well, the fun's down low here anyway. Good gap. Oh, tried to get clever. Now that gimbal guard's come back into play again. Let's bring it back. But it's entertaining, this flight. Okay, let's try a few flips and then we'll do 5 minutes on the Avata. Oh, I overdone that. Whee, that was close. Come on, Paul. Probably making you guys feel a bit ill watching this. It's not the smoothest flips and rolls, is it? There's a slower one, but nearly hit a tree. And again. A front flip. Oh, come on, Paul. Alright, we're down. Alright, I reckon that's it with the Avata. Not Avata, what is it? Neo. So when I switched over to the Neo, it didn't take over the settings from the Avata in terms of the camera for the ND filters. So it'll be interesting to see now if I go back into the Avata 2, has it still got the same settings for the camera? Let's go into D-Log. Okay, so I've gone into D-Log. I'm not sure how that will go, but let's see what happens. So let's take off in manual. Let's take off this. Let's have some fun with the Avata. Oh, let's drop that down a bit in the trees. 30 degrees. Wow. How much difference does that feel after flying the Neo? normal deal. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any advice. Let me know if you have any requests and things if you want me to fly or try.